Hello everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add admin to an Instagram account. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to business.facebook.com. And then, make sure you're logged in to an account that has both Instagram and Facebook linked. Once you're here on the upper left, tap on Instagram. Then tap on your profile on the upper left as well. Click on the drop down this time. And then in here, click on the gear icon. You will now be redirected to another tab. Now wait for it to finish loading. Once the website loads, head on over to the left corner and then look for Page Roles. Then in here, you can tap on Assign a new page role. Then tap on Jump to Section. In here, you can assign a new page role. All you have to do is to input the name of the person over at the search bar. Then, tap on the person's profile, then you can choose what their role should be. Admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst, depending on your preference. Once done selecting, tap on Add. Then they should be added in the existing page roles. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.